Ladies and gentlemen, this is my first YouTube video on the Dodge Charger 3.5 motor. There was one video of changing the water pump, and they showed that you had to actually lock your tensioner in order to put it back on. Well, you actually don't, because the bolts are long enough. So all you gotta do is unscrew it and then screw it back evenly, and your tensioner is engaged again. So you don't gotta worry about that. But the water pump, it said that it had a certain amount of bolts here, and you have long ones and short ones. Well, my grandpa here accidentally went to go look at it and dropped all the bolts, so we had to find the sequence of where the screws went. Ironically enough, we found out that the long bolts, there's a little groove. Let's see if we can get this thing to come over here, Grandpa, at the sun. All right, the long bolts, there's little grooves that stick up above this water pump, as you can see, and that little groove is actually what separates your long bolts from your short bolts, because this is a smooth part where your short bolts go. And when you get all your short bolts and long bolts lined up, all the short bolts are actually even to each other, and all the long bolts are actually even to each other. So if you
until you get to the back.
Until you get to the back. Actually, even the back is
well,
even.
Yeah, but you said even.
So
oh, gotcha.
yeah, like the little ones are even and the big ones are even. So if you accidentally drop your bolts, just remember the long bolts go on your grooved section that sticks up, and your short bolts go on the non-grooved section, and you don't have to worry about what goes where and the pattern and panic. So that should help. Timing marks are pretty damn easy. I didn't even, once I set it to TDC, they stayed exactly where they are, and I didn't have to worry about adjusting anything really. So guys, enjoy that one. Hope it helps things out. And if there's any debris on your water pump, it means your sweep hole went out. So pretty much it means you need a water pump, or you overheat, one or the other. All right, thank you guys. Enjoy. Like if I made your life easier.